This video is for demonstration purposes only and is for reference only. The WSP3000 microliter peristaltic pump is used for high-precision filling of various liquids with different properties and viscosities, with a filling range of 1 microliter to 3000 microliter. Outline dimensions of the execution unit. Outline dimensions of the controller master. Main components at the rear of the execution unit. Main components at the rear of the controller master. Open the packing box of the WSP3000 microliter peristaltic pump. Check against the packing list to ensure all components are complete and undamaged. Single-channel execution unit, controller, product sample brochure, instruction manual, power cord, and accessories. When using the product, reserve at least 200 millimeters of space at the rear. Installation of tubing kit and first startup. Connect the controller and the execution unit using a 4P communication cable. Insert the two power cords provided into the power sockets at the rear of the execution unit and the controller respectively. Then turn on the power switch of the controller. The screen displays the startup screen for 2 seconds and then enters the execution unit scanning interface. After scanning, it enters the main interface. Then click the tube clamp valve icon on the screen and the icon for channel 1 to open the tube clamp valve. Press the upper button on the front cover of the execution unit to release the latch. The front cover will spring open. Lift and remove the front cover at an upward diagonal angle. Rotate the plate lever to remove the pressure block. Then install the tubing and its bracket onto the pump head. First, slip the tubing over the roller, and then install it into the left and right tube holders in sequence. Press the tubing into the tube clamp valve, place the tubing in the middle of the valve, and then press the left and right tubing into the tube clamps and place them accordingly. Finally, move the plate lever to close the pressure block and lock it. Place the front cover support into the slot and close the front cover to complete the installation of the tubing kit. Click Start to begin operation.